Today, I got a text from my dad, and he said, immediate attention required. Important notification. National Spoil Your Dog Day. That's what today is. So, since I can't be with my little pupperinos, Max and Baxter, but I have 2 other puppies. I've got a little Nova here and a little Gigi here. So, Veronica and I are gonna go take them out on a little walk and get them some ice cream. Because they deserve it. So come on, let's go.
She thinks that we're going somewhere. So look, she's in her thing.
Oh, you're coming with us. She pooped.
Who pooped?
Gigi, that is not a Nova poop.
I feel bad. No, don't embarrass her like that. You can't put that in the... Oh, we're not going outside. We're going on a walk, sis. No, you're gonna be so excited. Oh no, I gotta put her down. Not my dog. I don't have to put my dog down, just the game. We should take them out first so they don't get in my car. Careful.
I don't want to.
She's a good monkey.
Good girl.
She said nope. She squatted and then she said nope. Let's grab my stuff and let's go. Here.
Really narrating it.
What if she starts throwing up on her walk?
Well, we don't have to clean it. Oh, hi, G! No, don't distract her. She looks funny. I'm zooming in. Wait, G, you distracted her, you son of a...
It's so nice out. I'm gonna have so much fun. Champagne toast.
This isn't the cutest. Can you? I'm gonna hop underneath you. I'm just gonna hop on up.
Come on, you little stink face.
Whoa! That slippery little bastard.
Everything that could possibly go wrong is going wrong. Let's lock them in the hot car.
I was banging on the window for dramatic effect.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, hold on tight. You know how I get. It's fine. I'll drive safe this time. Or will I?
Or will she?
I probably will.
I thought I was over.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Guys, I'm trying to get him. Hi!
Is it him?
It's a him.
Aw.
You know, it used to be.
Andrea, if you're watching this right now,
Why is Nova good?
Nova's a good girl. See?
Shout out, hi Andrea.
Shout out Andrea in Malta
Congratulations.
after her wedding. Congrats. Congrats, sis. Come on. What are you doing? We don't have any poop bags. Oh, yeah, we do. Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you, Andrea.
Oh, well, there we go. So, shout out Nova. No! What are you doing? What are you doing? Watch out, watch out. There's a biker.
going.
There's a biker.
She was still going. All right, hold on. Don't step in the shit. Gigi, get away from the shit. Everyone get away from the shit.
Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, I'm kidding.
I don't have supervision.
Ew. Oh, Brooke's picking up shivery now. That's so nasty. Ew, you little poop. You poop bagger.
Hold on to this until we find a garbage.
They're gonna sleep good tonight for us. At our puppy sleepover. Why do they love the grass?
We switched puppies. Now we're gonna go get some ice cream for these guys. For these boys. Puppy, puppy, say that you're puppy. Oh, Gigi, no, don't.
Her whole life. Before her puppy eyes.
She is a little baby.
Well, we're nice, guy.
I think about maybe XO baby.
Watch out, watch out.
We're hugging. Alright, puppies had their ice cream. We got them some water. We got ice cream. Yeah, she's kind of a water girl.
Hey, look. She's a water sign. Just kidding. Gigi's a Leo. Nova? I don't know what Nova is.
When's her birthday?
I don't know.
No, but this is a mystery we have to solve. You're so good. You, Gigi, you're so good too. A good little girl.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, girls. Come on, ladies. You got both their leashes?
Yep. Yeah.
Awesome. We could nail this whole parenting thing.
They are so tired. Gigi for sure. She's about to pass out. She's about to pass out. She's about to pass out. Nova, snuggle with me, please. No, I don't want to play with rope. I want you to snuggle. Why won't you sleep?
You almost threw up?
She's just pulling me.
She's Ginger, so I purposely up. So, I mean, block all that out. Look, I made her outfit so mad. This last one, I was like, yes. Yes!
Nova!
Why? Why was she doing that?
Oh, that was a slam. I didn't mean to slam. Hey, it's National Spoil Your Dog Day, so if we didn't do this, we'd be monsters. Check it out. Check out the fit. Oh. Veronica styled me on her styling app.
Well, put my character. I'll send you a screenshot of my character.
Alright.
You have to put her over me right now.
Okay. She's there. What am I saying to her?
I don't know. I just, well, you don't like it? In 1, 2, 3. In her Outback Steakhouse uniform.
Attire.
Attire. Costume. Nova.
Is this a good angle?
No.
Honestly, this is what we're cooking with. Why am I so little?
Turn on the other light.
Before I was on.
Turn on the other light. I didn't want to film while I have my glasses on.
Why? Why am I so little? Guys, Nova's trying to steal my car. Bro, Nova, no! Nova! This is Mikey. Oh, she's splooting! She's splooting! Veronica, we've got to sploot.
I'm looking.
Veronica,
I just saw.
we've got to sploot. 1, 2, 3, let's switch this up. Also, check it out. I look like a green goblin. I also look like Shrek. Watch this. What are you doing in my swamp?
What are you guys doing in my... What is wrong?
I don't know. Oh, I forgot to finish the let's switch it up.
Yeah, I know you did.
Well, why didn't you remind me?
Because I tried to tell you.
What did you do?
I forgot. I didn't try to tell you. I just remembered.
So you're a liar now. I'll just finish it right now. Don't look at my face. 1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Girls.
Alright, can we give the dogs self-care? Can we care for the dogs now? Aw, Nova follows you so sweetly. Aw. No, it'll be fun, I promise. Gigi's just like, put me back in my cage.
Who wants them? Does Gigi want them?
Gigi wants them. Oh no, it fell. Here, we'll put it on your head. Like a piece of salami.
They're on her. Oh! Hi, baby girl. Do you want these? I'll just put them on your eyes. I'll just put them on top of your head.
That's the only thing that seems to be working.
Yes. Do it again. Oh, no, baby.
Dancing in your head?
Oh, good puppy. Look at Gigi.
Watch out. Okay.
Hi, puppy.
Hi, Nova. Come on.
My mom asked today, she said, are you and Brooke going to be bunkies tonight? Aww. It was so cute.
Time for bedtime.
Time for
So
bed.
go to sleep. If you're watching this,
If you're watching
go to
this,
sleep.
whatever time you're watching
Go to
this,
sleep. It's bedtime.
go to bed. Night.
Wait, you have to turn off the
Oh, I'm not getting up. She's at the edge. She is not listening.
of glory.
Oh my god.
What?
I look fucking crackhead.
We're making brekkie breck for the puppy pup, mostly for us.
Mostly.
Can I make them a little egg? Can they split an egg? I got a shell in here. All right, too close. Too close for comfort. Aerial shots. Can we get aerial shots of the whole place?
Nothing.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. We have egg. Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Don't show my face, Brooke. I look hot garbage.
I'll put Danny DeVito on your face instead.
You're a big egg. Do you like the egg?
Oh, Gigi dancing.
Did you like it? Now your egg. Okay, guys.
Share.
I'm crazy.
Over here we've got a bowl of grease.
Yep.
Are you having the bowl of grease or is it for me?
That's all you.
Oh, thank you. Well, that was puppy sleepover. Veronica left to go get ready for tennis. We're having another little puppy sleepover right now. Like this video, comment, share with your friends and family, and yeah, that's it really. Thanks for coming to our puppy sleepover.
No.
Veronica has to go to tennis now.
Don't tell them.
Sorry.
Hi, look.
Puppy! There's more puppies, guys. Ah, puppy. So, yeah, spoil your puppy every day. Not just August 10th. Okay, bye.